Dog goes woof, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and mouse goes squeak. Cow goes moo, frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot. Ducks say quack, and fish go blub, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's one sound that no one knows.
Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the Fox PPT bomb game. Let's check it out. The Fox PowerPoint game is made by Zeeks of the Weigook forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below for you to get the free downloadable copy of the game. The home screen is a selection of foxes, surprise there, and numbers. Students choose numbers to go to questions. They answer the question correctly, and they'll go to a point screen.
What does the fox say?
And students will get a number of points that will go towards their team. Okay, that was our quick The Fox PowerPoint game walkthrough. If you like the video, please consider subscribing to our channel, and also go to the links below to get your free download of the game. Bye bye.